asking for help in a store.
Excuse me, can you help me find something today?
Of course. What are you looking for in the store?
I need a bottle of shampoo for my hair.
We have many kinds of shampoo in aisle 5.
Thank you. I also need some toothpaste and soap.
Those items are close to the shampoo section.
Great. This store is bigger than I expected today.
Yes, many customers visit here because we sell many products.
I cannot find the milk section anywhere in the store.
The milk and dairy products are near the back wall.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly to me.
You are welcome. I am happy to help our customers.
Do you also sell fresh bread in this store?
Yes, we bake fresh bread every morning for customers.
That sounds wonderful because I really love warm bread.
Many people come early because the bread smells very good.
I think I can smell the bread from here already.
Yes, the bakery section is right around that corner.
I also want to buy some fruit for my family.
We have apples, bananas, oranges, and fresh grapes today.
The apples look fresh and very delicious to me.
They arrived from the farm early this morning.
That is nice because I want healthy food for my children.
Fresh fruit is always a good choice for families.
Can you tell me where the bottled water is?
The bottled water is beside the cold drink section.
I see it now. Thank you for your patience today.
No problem at all. Helping customers is part of my job.
Do you have any discounts on snacks this week?
Yes, potato chips and cookies are on sale today.
My children will probably be very happy about that.
Many families buy snacks before the weekend starts.
That makes sense because children enjoy snacks during movies.
Yes, snacks and drinks are very popular on Fridays.
I think I have everything I need now.
Would you like a shopping bag for your items today?
Yes, please. I bought more things than I planned.
That happens to many people in large stores like this.
You are right, because I always find interesting products here.
We try to keep the store clean and organized for customers.
I noticed that everything is easy to find here.
Thank you. Our staff works hard every day.
Where can I pay for these items now?
The cashier area is near the front entrance of the store.
Can I pay with my credit card today?
Yes, we accept cash, credit cards, and mobile payments.
That is very convenient for busy customers like me.
We want shopping here to feel fast and easy.
Thank you again for helping me with everything today.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Buying a bus ticket.
Excuse me, where can I buy a bus ticket here?
You can buy tickets at this counter near the entrance.
Great. I need one ticket to downtown for today.
Sure. What time would you like to leave?
I want to take the next bus if possible.
The next bus leaves in about 20 minutes.
That sounds perfect because I am in a hurry today.
No problem. The bus should arrive very soon.
How much does one adult ticket cost to downtown?
One adult ticket costs $15 today.
That price seems reasonable for a long trip.
Yes, the ride is comfortable and usually very smooth.
Does the bus stop near the main shopping center?
Yes, it stops directly across from the shopping center.
That is very helpful because I need to buy some clothes.
Many passengers visit that area for shopping and restaurants.
Can I pay with my credit card at this counter?
Yes, we accept both cash and credit cards here.
Perfect. I prefer using my card for travel payments.
That makes things faster for many travelers today.
Do I need to print the ticket before boarding?
No, you can show the ticket on your phone screen.
That is very convenient and easy for passengers.
Yes, many people now use digital tickets every day.
Which platform does the downtown bus leave from?
It leaves from platform number 3 outside the station.
Thank you. I do not want to miss the bus today.
Do not worry, because the bus usually arrives a little late.
That is good to know because I still need coffee.
There is a small coffee shop beside the waiting area.
Wonderful. I always drink coffee before long trips.
Their coffee is popular with morning travelers and workers.
Is the bus usually crowded during the afternoon?
Sometimes it gets busy after people finish work.
I hope I can find a comfortable seat near the window.
If you board early, you should find a good seat easily.
I enjoy looking outside while traveling on buses.
The road to downtown has many beautiful city views.
That sounds exciting because I like taking travel photos.
You will probably see many interesting places during the ride.
How long does the trip usually take from here?
The trip normally takes about 1 hour in light traffic.
That is not too bad for a city trip.
Yes, most passengers feel the trip is comfortable and relaxing.
Thank you for answering all my questions so kindly.
You are very welcome. I am happy to help travelers.
I think I will buy the ticket now.
Great. Please insert your card into the machine here.
Done. Everything was very easy and simple today.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your trip downtown.
Missing the bus.
Oh no, I think I just missed my bus today.
Really? I saw the bus leave only a minute ago.
I ran as fast as I could, but I was late.
That is unfortunate. Were you coming from work today?
Yes, my meeting ended later than I expected this afternoon.
That happens sometimes when people are very busy at work.
Now I have to wait for the next bus home.
Do you know what time the next bus arrives here?
I think the next one comes in about 30 minutes.
That is not too bad if the weather stays nice.
You are right, because it feels cool and comfortable outside.
Yes, today is much better than the hot weather yesterday.
I am glad there is a bench at this bus stop.
Me too. Standing for a long time can feel tiring.
Do you take this bus every day after work?
Yes, I usually take this bus from Monday to Friday.
Then you probably know the schedule very well.
I do because I travel this route every single week.
Have you ever missed the bus before?
Yes, many times, especially during rainy weather in winter.
That must have been difficult and very frustrating sometimes.
It was, but I learned to leave work earlier afterward.
I should probably start doing the same thing every day.
It really helps when traffic becomes heavy during busy hours.
I also need to stop checking my phone so much.
Phones can distract people very easily at bus stations.
That is exactly what happened to me a few minutes ago.
At least you are safe and still have another bus coming.
Yes, that is true, and I should stay positive today.
Staying calm always makes stressful situations feel a little easier.
Do you usually listen to music while waiting for the bus?
Yes, music helps me relax after a long workday.
I sometimes watch funny videos to pass the time.
That sounds entertaining and good for reducing stress too.
I think waiting feels shorter when people stay busy.
I agree, because time passes quickly during interesting activities.
Oh, look, I think another bus is arriving now.
I see it too, but I'm not sure about the number.
Let me check the sign on the front carefully.
Good idea, because some buses stop here for different routes.
Sadly, this bus is going to another part of the city.
That is disappointing, but your bus should arrive very soon.
I hope so, because I'm getting hungry now.
There's a small snack shop across the street there.
Maybe I can buy a sandwich and some juice quickly.
That sounds like a good plan while you continue waiting.
Thank you for talking with me during this long wait.
You're welcome. It's always nice to have company here.
I think I see my bus finally coming around the corner.
Great! I hope you get home safely and have a relaxing evening.
Going shopping with a friend.
Hi, Emma. Are you ready to go shopping today?
Yes, I'm very excited to visit the new mall.
I heard the mall has many interesting clothing stores.
That sounds perfect because I need some new clothes.
I also want to buy a new jacket for winter.
Winter jackets are usually expensive in large shopping malls.
That is true, but I hope there are good discounts today.
Many stores have weekend sales during this season.
Great. I really want to save some money while shopping.
Me too, because I already spent too much last month.
What kind of clothes are you looking for today?
I want comfortable jeans and a few colorful shirts.
Colorful shirts always look nice during sunny weather.
Yes, bright colors make people feel happier and more energetic.
Do you also want to buy new shoes today?
Maybe I need better shoes for walking around the city.
Then we should visit the sports store on the second floor.
Good idea. I heard their sneakers are very comfortable.
After shopping, we can eat lunch at the food court.
That sounds wonderful because I skipped breakfast this morning.
You should not skip meals when you have a busy day.
I know, but I woke up very late today.
That happens sometimes, especially on relaxing weekends.
Yes, weekends always make me want to sleep longer.
Look at that store. The jackets in the window look amazing.
They really do, and the prices seem lower than expected.
I think I will try on the black jacket first.
Black jackets are easy to match with many clothes.
You are right, and black never goes out of style.
While you try that jacket, I will look at the jeans.
This jacket feels warm and very comfortable to wear.
It also looks great on you from my view here.
Thank you. I think I might buy this one today.
I found blue jeans that fit me very well.
That is great because good jeans are sometimes hard to find.
Yes, and these jeans are also on sale this weekend.
We are both finding good deals today at the mall.
Shopping feels more fun when prices are lower than normal.
Should we look at accessories before going to lunch?
Sure, I want to buy a new watch for work.
I need sunglasses because summer weather is coming soon.
Then this accessory store might have what we both need.
These sunglasses look stylish and very lightweight too.
I like them, and they match your jacket very well.
Thank you. Did you find a watch that you like?
Yes, I found a simple silver watch near the counter.
Wonderful. I think we finished shopping today.
Me too, and now I am really hungry for lunch.
Let us go to the food court and relax together.
Great idea. Today was a very fun shopping trip together.